Good morning, Nigeria. Why I said that, who knows? We are going to $100,000 Bitcoin. Now, it's AM pump time. It is 7:01 in New York City. I am on the Bitunix exchange at 100x. I've entered my trade of about $4,444. 4444 times 100x. And now we wait. So let me explain to you what happens. Let me pull up a window. It's due time in New York City. 7:01. So many times we pump around 8 and the stock market opened at 9:30. Now the psychological factors are simple. People can't resist $100,000. This is like crypto heroin to them. We want to be somewhere around, we just want a wallet build. When I start, I have a screenshot tool that I link below my videos. Let me see if I could show it to you. If we come down here under any one of my videos, my Lamborghinis, you can see it either pinned to the top comment or click show more. Let me show you something. Come down here. Bitunix is what I'm trading on now. It's open to everyone. MarkX is another great one. These exchanges don't cheat and trade against you and make it harder. BingX, my consultation in Discord, it's an opportunity of a lifetime. And Fibit is a classic that we can use just for its charts instead of BitMEX. You don't even need to log in. Twitter, Rumble, all that Telegram crap. Watch out for fake oracles. I never ask you for anything. I never try to sell you anything. All you can buy is my consultation. You have to initiate it. I don't advertise. I don't link. I don't do nothing. Okay? Here's the screen capture tool I use. And then there's some information about how I teach you how to trade. You can read all this if you can find it. Most people can. So let's just chill in our trade now. So let's go back here. I'm probably down. Yeah, because it's not time yet. A lot of people get nervous at 97x. So when I use Bitunix or MarkX, two great exchanges, what I like to do, I might close this and reposition. We're weakening. I'm on the 3 minute. I look at the 6 hour, the 1 hour. Ooh, when that happens, click the auto button. Look at all those trades I've done. Bitunix flags all your trades. Look at that. Like attack vectors. So we were going down in the overnight. This is the first green candle at 7 a.m. Then we have the 8 a.m. candle. And then 9. So we come down in 3 minutes. The price is dropping. And here's why. The candle. It's all about the candles. No indicators, no Ichimoku clouds, no itchy balls, nothing. No support, no resistance, because that's made up. Yeah, we're going to go over 99, and then we should just launch into the $100,000 zone together. I love this game. So let me teach you a little bit. You ready? This is how you adjust your chart. Sign up for Bitunix. If I'm trading on it, you should. Deposit your Bitcoin. You want to walk through while we wait to win? Okay. So over here's your wallet. I always take a picture when I start. The goal of every trade is to have more money here than when you started. It's a dynamic wallet, so it will actually move. Look, now it shows I'm actually down a little bit. It should refresh. Look, see, it's moving. As you win or lose your trade, your wallet moves. But then you got to close in a win, so you keep it. Did you ever think of that? Yeah, that's how we do it. So I'm going to wait for us to blow over the whole number. Now this is hard to read. Look at this. It looks like you're about to have a heart attack. If you've seen this at the cardiologist's office, there's a good chance you're not going to get up. Come down here. Here. See the plus? Nobody ever showed me this when I started. The simplicity of simplicity is amazing. Look, now you could see. There are 3 types of candles. I will now break them down for you. Are you ready? You're going to love it. I make some kick-ass videos live from the Lambo. Get rich. Lambo tour, crypto, lies, bankruptcies, marriage, poverty. They all go together. But we were going somewhere else. Let's check on the trade. Okay, so let me show you all the candle types. You ready? It's crazy. Ready? You're gonna love this crap. They made all this up, okay? Okay, it's all made up. You got, look at this one. You're gonna love it. You ready for this? Sorry, you've been blocked from this page. Why? Because the truth was about to be exposed? How dare you? This looks like a workout chart. Look at these things. Look at this guy. He's like, I'm gonna sell you, first I'm gonna confuse you as much as possible. Then I'm gonna sell you a course and show you 1,000,000 candlestick patterns that you must memorize. You got the anal alien probe. You got the slim shady. Yeah. And you got the ass wedges here. A whole bunch of things. Let me break it down. You ready? We have big candles. We have small candles. And then we have confused candles like that. That's it. Big, small, and confused. Let me teach you how to read the candles. A green candle should have a wick going up. A red candle, we're at the 888s, should have a wick going down. But if a candle has, let's say, a red candle has a wick coming out of its ass, that's something is wrong. That's a sign of weakness there. Something is wrong. So, no ass candle wicks. Okay, you see? That's an ass candle. So you got big candles, smaller candles, and then the other army comes. Red army versus the green. It's two teams. Oh, you want to know how to pick the team, right? We look at the 6 hour and the 1 hour. We call it momentum. It's wild. It's like Fuzi-Watzi, Huzi-Watzi, crazy. Fugazi, Fugazi. It's momentum. It's a trend. You might say, oh, he's down. Yeah, it's not always an instant win. We have to chill until they wake up. It's 7 a.m. I told you what time they wake up and get excited, right? I did time in New York City, didn't I? Why am I blocked from this? Why couldn't I see that picture? Why? Because technical analysis is a lie. Oh, I'm not going to be able to make a video for a couple of days. I'm going to be busy. You can go back and watch my old content. You can binge like a crazy crack hoe. All right? My videos rock. I'll tell you, all my videos I teach you. Oh, that was the guy from the Board of Poverty. Okay? He's from the Board of Poverty. Let me see if I can play that for you. It's hilarious. This is if you don't want to get rich. Wait, off and shot down. Today, I'm going to teach you. Oracle. Okay, I'm going to introduce you to this public service announcement from the Board of Poverty. Where do you want to be this Christmas? Watch. Boom. Yeah, Board of Poverty. We have a commercial interruption. A reminder from the Board of Poverty.
Same clothes, or buying clothes at like Costco or places that are reasonable. You know, but not buying a brand new car, buying a car that
There are so many alternatives to being successful, no matter what you choose.
10 years or 15 years that you're going to use for 10 or 15 years minimum. You know, not eating out very often.
Not eating at all. Try not eating, bro. All right, so you could be like Josh in the Board of Poverty, or you can watch my videos. I always try to teach you exactly what I'm doing. You know what I found? The people in my group, we are green on the 6 and green on the 1 hour, even though we are dumping in the moment. Here, we have direction. We're only down 18%. It looks like a lot of money, $1,200, because of what I put in the trade, but it's not whatsoever. So look, it's dumping. That's why we left money here to protect ourselves and then go all in. This is very normal to happen. We expect the pump to hit around 8, 9 a.m. We're 2 hours early. So we're down 20%. Our liquidation point is $1,000 away. We would have to take another $1,000 dive. Looking at direction, even though the 6 hours weakened, they dumped overnight for the last 3 hours. Now we have a new candle. When I'm down, I take a screenshot and I walk away. I'll be back. Right now, we're down 25%, 26%. Let me get a screenshot for you. Now I get rid of the previous screenshot. I keep my wallet, the maximum amount I'm down, which is 24%, $1,600. But I know the time of day and the direction, and we would expect them to buy up some dip here. So I'm going to walk away at 26% down. This is where it gets serious. This is where most people lose it, when they're down. I'm telling you, I know the time of the pump. We're prepared and ready for it. So, let's jump in. We're down 26%. We know the coordinates. 28%, 30% down, $2,000. The coordinates. Ooh, we got red on 1 hour. 98.7. This needs to go to 226, 113, and 086 for 98,000 to break. Our liquidation point is 97,808. I stay because the time in New York City. 9 a.m. when the stock market opens is when havoc breaks. Welcome to War of the Women in Chart. It all starts peaceful until you gotta go into combat. Are you ready? Let's get them. Check this out. Partial liquidation notice. Okay? They didn't liquidate me. Bitcoin tanked. Look, it took out everyone. You're not going to believe what I'm going to show you. They reduced my position. There is more money here. They didn't liquidate me. That means this trade down 109% has been given a second chance at life. I need to screenshot this. No other exchange does this. That is amazing. You are still in the trade. You still have money. They just did a partial liquidation. You would have lost everything. So interesting to see this actually happen. Now I have to leave it. That is amazing. A partial liquidation notice. I wasn't even here to see that. Now you will notice that something else happened. My liquidation price is pushed down to $95,851. This video took a wild turn, but I always like to show you the reality so when you face these things, you know what to do. Down 114% after a partial liquidation reduction, and there's money here in reserve to protect the trade. When this starts going our way, this can be a great trade. What an exchange to offer an opportunity like that. Direction has changed on us, as seen by the 1 hour. The last 2 hours we have been dumping. So at this point, I just hold out. Money I send to the exchange I consider lost. The easiest way to lose it is to press the close button right now. I'd rather take my chances with it coming back up and stay in the fight. This has been crazy. I went to the gym. Our trade got reverse split, like an anti-liquidation whatever. Partial liquidation. What time is it now in real time? 11 a.m. Now last we looked at our trade. We should have been liquidated. We had a partial liquidation. We're down 114%. This exchange allowed us to survive and stay in the trade. 114%. Let's check it now. Wow. We're only down 49%. Our wallet was whacked. Hold on. I don't have a picture. But Bitcoin is pumping. It only goes up and down. Given the chance, you might have a chance to win. We're only down 45%. I never seen an exchange do a partial liquidation. Look how much we have in the available balance. It's the weekend. Of course we're going to go to 100,000. I'm going to try to show you everything in this video. Now, nothing is promised, but we got a chance. Sometimes having a chance is all you need. We are so close to 100,000. You don't think Bitcoin's going to pump? Let's check the direction, what's happened. The 6 hour was all green. Now it showed red. Let's check the 1 hour. See who's in control. A change is happening on the 1 hour. The Green Army is trying to make an attempt and bringing the price back up, and that's why our trade is coming back up. Bitunix and their partial liquidation is an amazing system. So as you recall, we were almost liquidated, but the Bitunix partial liquidation system allowed us to stay in the trade. Other exchanges wipe you out. There's a link to sign up with Bitunix down below. Right now, we're about to go green, people. Yeah, we took a hit. We lost some money, but look, we built back our reserve. We're only down 3%. Bitcoin is pumping. Almost $99,000 again. We made it. The Bitunix exchange. Look at this. We're going to go to $100,000 Bitcoin. This exchange allowed us, yes, we did start with almost 11,000. It pumped against us. We're down 3,100. We were long. It dumped hard on us, down $5,000, 78%. We should have been liquidated. The Bitunix partial liquidation system allowed us to stay in the trade. Yeah, we only had 3,500 left. And we were still down over 100%. Wow. And we are about to be green and have a chance at 97x to earn our money back. This is amazing. You don't see this on any other exchange. At this point, under the whole number, we're going to take a calculated risk, right? Let's put $1,000 at 100x open long. We're going into the weekend. Let's add to the trade. This is crazy. We shouldn't even be alive. This is the Bitunix exchange. It's linked below. All of you that stayed and seen this whole video, tell me what you think in the comments. In the live chat. Wow, it's about to go green. Look at this. Just look right here. Amazing. It shows you if you just had a fair chance and you had direction right. I know we're going over 100,000. I'm going to pause it now and we'll come back to this. Let's do a time check. Last we checked was 11:04. 11:52. It's only been a few hours. I went to the gym. I did everything. But this anti-liquidation, this partial liquidation system is amazing. We did it. We're up 12%. We're over the whole number. Let's close, take the money, and we'll reload under the whole number. Bitunix anti-liquidation countermeasures. How exciting. Now, we have $5,000 left instead of getting wrecked. Let's go ahead and put in a limit order, 97x. We're going to put $2,200. The price is going to be 98888. We'll try to catch it on the dip. Here we go. Open. We got a chance. You see, as long as you have a chance, you can win. This has been the most amazing 18 minutes I've ever spent with you. Absolutely amazing. We should have been liquidated. That battle was incredible. Tell me below, have you ever seen anything like this? They gave us a chance to beat the trade, and I'm about to relaunch. We're going to $100,000 Bitcoin. The link for this exchange is pinned right to the top comment. We're going to buy in at the lower coordinate, and then we're going to add to the trade. A chance is all we ever asked for. A chance. This exchange gives everyone a chance. Welcome to the new bull run. Oh, how exciting was this? The 888, boom! She bought in. Now we're in control. We're back in the game. Here we go again. Here we go again. It worked. The 888s. Look at this. No revenge trading. We're just going to build that wallet back. But the chance to fight, the chance to win is unbelievable. Bitunix. Have a great day, everyone. See you at $100,000 Bitcoin.